Today I'm here with my friend William from Canada and half Colombian.
We're out here at Comuna 13.
Comuna 13, one of the most dangerous places in Colombia. William and I are here at Communal 13.
We're out here.
This was once the most dangerous city in Medellin and probably in the world. You can still see the bullet holes. The government has spent the past 10 years making this a nice place for street art and tourists. Some of the best street art that I have seen here in Colombia. That was our day at Comuna 13. Once the most dangerous city in the world, now a great tourist attraction with great street art.